Today is a Weather Authority alert day. Now, the timing of this, we will start about lunchtime and last until midnight later on. The worst of the storms will have damaging winds and hail. We could see some isolated to scattered storms, possibly some going severe. Now, the Storm Prediction Center has highlighted basically a large area here in yellow, showing that a slight risk, so a level 2 out of 5, is in effect. And that includes us in the south parts of the Ohio River Valley. South side, you guys are in a marginal risk, which is still a 1 out of 5. That doesn't mean you're not going to see any rain today. You just have a lower likelihood of seeing severe weather. Now, the highest threat for today is winds. This is the main threat. It's on the medium end of expectations, so we could see some damaging wind in some of the storm cells that will be driving through our region later on this afternoon. Hail is also likely, but it's still on the lower end of expectations. And then a tornado chance is primarily north or west of I-81, but still on the lower end of expectations. We could see a brief spin up or two later on this afternoon, though. Now, the impact timeline for you today, 7 a.m. to 12 p.m. We will start to see a few isolated showers with a few storms embedded in those. Now, storms will be more possible and some could go severe from 12 p.m. to 5 p.m. Now, later on this evening after 5 p.m., that's when the timing for the best storm chances will be, because we'll have some daytime heating, relative humidity will be up. So it'll just be all the ingredients coming together after 5 p.m. So that's our best shot at seeing severe weather later on this afternoon. We are tracking the system out towards the west. This will be moving slowly to the east throughout the day. And like I said, after 5 p.m., this should be basically right on top of us. So we should see some isolated to scattered showers later on this afternoon, with a few going severe. Now, in the Carolinas, they are under heat advisories right now until 8 p.m. So there is a lot of heat to the south. When this tracks further and further to the east, our winds will shift out of the south, and a lot of that heat will be fueling storms for later. Also, relative humidity is about 70 degrees today, or 70% today. And it will be about there throughout the entire day. Future tracker starting off, though, with us partly cloudy. By 10 a.m., we're having a few pop-up showers, but you'll notice between 10 a.m. and 4 p.m., we're primarily partly cloudy, so the sun is going to get out and heat us up quite a bit, so we're going to be warm. And what that does is add fuel as we have southerly winds, so we will see isolated to scattered showers later on through about 6 p.m. later on this evening, and then overnight into tonight. Now, today we get to about 90 degrees. Alta Vista gets to 89, 83 in Floyd, and then 82 in Wytheville. And then your hourly muggy meter, we get to about 72, 73 by 8 and 10 p.m. So we're going to be humid, sometimes feeling tropical out there. It's going to feel gross, disgusting, if you will. And when we factor in the humidity on top of the heat, we could be feeling like the triple digits in South Boston, Danville, and Martinsville, and then feeling like the 90s elsewhere. Now, I do have good news. After today's Weather Authority alert day, cooler air is going to be moving in. Wednesday, 1 p.m., you see the lighter shades of yellow and green move in, but by the weekend, we start to heat up. So we will have a light cool down. It will be mild towards the middle of the week, but average temperatures will return later on, just in time for the weekend. 60% chance of rain on your Monday, temperatures reaching 90 here in the Roanoke Valley. But again, after we get through with this Weather Authority alert day, we start to clear up and we cool down just for a little bit.